Hey everybody, Matthew Morris, M Wood Studio. I'm here in the shop. I'm working on a project, which means it's time for another shop update. All right, well, here we are. Next to me is another modern dresser. But this time I'm going to do something a little bit different than I did before. Besides the fact that it's a little bit smaller in different dimensions. This one is only 4 feet long and a set of 5.5 feet. And it's going to be just, I think, a little bit taller. Yes, I think it's taller in general or overall than the current modern dresser that I've built that's up in the school. That's a great project, by the way. In that project, I turned to the domino to cut pretty much most of the joinery, at least for the case and the base. Instead, this time around, because I need to build another one of these for the house, I've turned to the PantoRouter to cut the joinery. So I built a jig after, of course, milling. First I had to mill all the stuff up like usual, right? Gotta mill up all my panels or my parts, glue them up. I made a jig that I could use with the PantoRouter to hold the sides 90 degrees to the base. And it allowed me to use clamps to, once I marked my centers, go over to PantoRouter and cut my mortises, showing the versatility of the PantoRouter and doing something else a little non-traditional for it, which is like regular Morse tenon joints, box joints, dovetails, stuff like that. But it's a joinery machine, so let's cut some domino-style joinery with it. Is what my thought was. So, anyways, that's what's been going on in the shop. This is how far I've gotten. I now need to start filling out the inside of it. And that'll be for another update. Now, while this was going on, and I talked to you guys the other week, I'm gonna try to start doing these more often, by the way. And I talked to you guys the other week. I said, hey, I've gonna open up a school. And we work on the plans. It's taken forever. We've submitted the stuff. We got comments back from the town. The architect, the MEP got together because there's a couple things between them. I think the structural engineer guy was totally fine. But everything got together, or everybody got together, including myself. We did some research, got some answers to them. And today, of all days, we got our permit. I am so stoked. I am so happy that we got the permit and we can start work. And I talked to my contractor today, and we believe that till next week, he believes, we're gonna have people in there starting work. I'm just stoked. I can't tell you, I can't express to you how happy I am that this project is gonna move forward again. We've moved forward, we've stopped, we took a few steps back, we moved forward, we took a few steps back, we moved forward, and now I don't want to say that the light at the end of the tunnel is visible yet, because we've got to start a whole bunch of construction work, and it's not a ton, but you never know what you can find when you're doing construction work. Or electrical work and all that stuff, but I'm really stoked that we're going to start that process, and then it's going to be awesome. So I want to share that with all of you. I know in the last update I said I was going to start doing more update videos on the school, and I will. I'm going to take you over there. We'll film some while the crew's working. It's just going to be great. So anyways, that is pretty much it for me shop-wise. I just wanted to quickly share with you that I'm starting on a new project. I'm filming this. It's going to be a take on the modern dresser, different dimensions, of course, but using the PantoRouter to cut the joinery. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. What's been going on this week? What's been going on with you guys in your shop? Let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, like, share, and subscribe, and have a great week in your shop.